everyone, my name is Ashwini and in today's video I'm going to share you how I practice or how I use ChatGPT to improve my English speaking. How I practice English using ChatGPT for learning vocabulary, for reading stories and for improve my things. And today's video I will share you also how you can use any app to find and to learn real English speaking with other person, and also I'll show you how to record your video to improve your English speaking. Okay, so let's start. Open your ChatGPT and look at here mic icon. You can see here mic icon and tap on that mic icon. And I think you are very beginner. You don't have any idea how to speak and how to use ChatGPT. So this is real video, so you can understand. I don't tell you like a myth. I'm learning English in just 1 week and 1 month. This is not real truth. Since I'm learning English started 2026 and right now I'm at least able to speak English. So if you want to speak English, this English speaking, don't keep this plan short term, this journey short term. Keep this journey for long term, then you will definitely speak English. Okay, tap on this mic and speak here. Okay, hi ChatGPT, my name is Ashwini and this is monsoon season, so I want to learn vocabulary about monsoon season because I want to improve my English speaking, and I'm an English speaking learner. So give me each and every vocabulary with their Hindi meaning and use that vocabulary in any example. Okay, and
Wait a minute.
क्या हो गया, पूरा चला गया, फिर से बोलना पड़ेगा. Hi ChatGPT, my name is Ashwini and I want to speak English but I don't know how to speak English. So this is monsoon season and I'm learning vocabulary about monsoon season. So I want to improve my English speaking. So give me each and every vocabulary according to you. I should know because I'm an English speaking learner and usually people use those vocabulary in their daily conversation in USA or in India. Give me all vocabularies with their Hindi meaning and example. Now this time this is loading.
Yeah.
This is all God. This was gone. Oh, this is my second mobile and I don't use this mobile. Usually I learn on this mobile, but I have a laptop. I used to learn things on my laptop. So because most of the people, they don't have laptop, so I'm showing you all guys how to use mobile phone. Okay, to learn this thing. When I show you on laptop, somebody think in their mind, I don't have laptop, so how can I learn? You can learn on any device. It's depend on you. So okay, while I speak English, I don't think because I used to speak English. So let's go on screen. Otherwise, I just keep speaking because nowadays I want to speak more. But okay, let's start. ChatGPT has given me here. I start screen recorder. Okay. And look at guys, ChatGPT has given me here vocabularies. So monsoon season vocabulary. Rain means barish. It is raining out. It is raining out. Out means bahar. Inside means under. Drizzle. Drizzle means halki barish. It is only drizzling. सिर्फ हल्की बारिश हो रही है. इसे धीरे धीरे पढ़ो क्योंकि if you are learning in starting, so don't need to learn fast. Okay, guys, learn slowly and keep this English speaking plan long term. Then you will speak better. Because I am learning English since 7 months ago and I'm continuously learning. So I'm improving day by day. Not fast but gradually I'm improving. Downpour means musaldhar barish. We got caught in a heavy downpour. Catch का second form है caught. If you don't know verbs means eat means खाना. At, second form of verb. Eaten, third form of verb. मतलब you don't know about verbs, you can search on ChatGPT. Give me daily life conversation verb, then you can read here. Okay, and we got caught मतलब हम बारिश में मतलब हम जा रहे थे कहीं और बारिश ने हमको पकड़ लिया और बारिश बहुत जोर से हो रही थी हमारे ऊपर. शावर, बारिश की फुहार, शावर. We had a short rain shower. मतलब बारिश हुई फर्क से चली गई. Cloud means बादल and you can learn all things here guys. I put video here. Lightning means बिजली चमकना. Storm, thunder means आवाज आना. When you hear that when it's raining outside, that time you hear that sound, thunder sound. That sound is thunder and thundering. You say thundering. And when बिजली कड़कती है, that time you can say it's lightning outside. Okay, storm is tufan and you can learn here also. Example, breeze is blowing. Blow is मतलब हवा ऐसे खिल रही है. A cool breeze is blowing. Umbrella, छाता. Raincoat, wet means गीला. You can, while you are recording yourself, then I'll show you how to speak. Okay, and this is genuinely real video. I'm not saying you I'm not faking you guys. Dry means सूखा. Mud means कीचड़. Muddy, कीचड़ वाला. My chappals are muddy, मतलब कीचड़ से भरे हुए हैं. पड़ल मीन्स पानी का छोटा जो गड्ढा होता है ना, उसको पड़ल बोलते हैं. एंड डोंट स्टेप इन द पड़ल. स्टेप मतलब अपना पैर उसमें मत रखना गड्ढे में. जब भी तुम ऐसे when you are learning and doing practice like this, that time you try to do actions. Then your mind, your subconscious mind remember that actions and they keep these things long term in your mind. This is a neuroscience method. Fluid मतलब क्या होता है? बाढ़ आना. Flooded, पानी से भरा हुआ. Slippery मतलब घसरण, फिसल जाना. Damp, my towel is still damp. Damp means थोड़ा सा गीला. Okay, then humid, उमस भरा. Today is very humid. उमस भरा मतलब अच्छा नहीं, अच्छा वेदर नहीं है. Cold means ठंडा. Fog means कोहरा. There is a fog in the morning. जो दव होता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं fog, मतलब फाइट दिखता है. Mist मतलब हल्का कोहरा, ज्यादा नहीं, हल्का. Mist cover the hills मतलब अब कोई भी पहाड़ हो उस पे ऊपर पूरा वाइट हो गया तो you can speak there. Mist cover the hill. rainbow, raindrop, rainbow, raindrops, बारिश की बूंदें, splash, splash, पानी उछलना, ठपक, यस, ऐसे पैरदार लोगे तुम पडल में तो पानी स्प्लैश होगा, मतलब उछल जाएगा. लीक, लीक, रिसाव, द रूफ हैज अ लीक. जो भी मतलब बहुत गरीब लोग होते हैं और झोपड़ी में रहते हैं, उनके जो रूफ को अगर कहीं से छेद हो गया उसको बोलते हैं लीक हो गया. You can learn each and everything here. You just need to search and give your time here. If you have time, you can give how many time here. And but if you want to really want to speak English, start to give your time, at least little time to hear by guys. Okay, monsoon, monsoon. Okay. Now, daily conversation sentence, forecast. Forecast, you know that forecast on always forecast notification you can see our mobile phones. मौसम का पूर्वानुमान. And okay, here are daily conversation sentence. It's raining heavily. It's raining heavily. It's drizzling. Drizzling means हल्की बारिश हो रही है. It's raining heavily मतलब बहुत जोर से बारिश हो रही है. ऐसे ही आप क्या करना, ऐसे ही आप वोकैबुलरी मतलब पढ़ सकते हो. अभी वीडियो बहुत बड़ा हो रहा है बट क्या ही करूं, यही रियल मेथड है चैट जीपीटी से पढ़ने का. माई क्लोथ गॉट वेट, मेरे कपड़े गीले हो गए हैं. गॉट, दिस इज सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ गेट. आई लव द कूल वेदर, मुझे ठंडा मौसम पसंद है. आई लव द कूल वेदर. अगर किसी लड़की के लिए बोलना है तो ऐसे बोलेगा कोई भी, she loves the cool weather. And for a boy, he loves the cool weather. And for we are, that time we use we love the cool weather. इस वीडियो में मैं कुछ भी काट छाट नहीं करने वाली. आप रियल देख सकते हो, ऐसे ही पढ़ा जाता है. कुछ भी एडिटिंग नहीं करूंगी, पूरा मतलब रियल ऐसे ही पढ़ते हैं लोग, ऐसे ही टाइम देते हैं और सीखते हैं खुद से. यही मेथड है जिससे आप बिना पैसों के सीख सकते हैं. बस खुद से करना पड़ेगा सभी चीजें. अब मैं माइक पे टैप करूंगी और बोलूंगी मुझे इससे रिलेटेड स्टोरी चाहिए, जिससे मेरे को मतलब समझ में आएगा कि मुझे कैसे बोलना है और क्या क्या लोग कैसे स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं, कैसे सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. Hey, now I want to learn stories about monsoon season or monsoon season. And you know what? Give me real stories. People usually speak sentence in their daily conversation. Give me that kind of stories, okay? Now it's loading, and ChatGPT is giving me story. Story number 1. A rainy morning. एक बारिश भरी सुबह. It was Monday morning. I woke up early and looked outside the window. The sky was full of dark clouds. Soon it started raining. जल्द ही raining started हो गई, मतलब started हो चुकी थी. I wanted to go for a walk. मैं वॉक को जाना चाहता था. But the rain became heavier. लेकिन rain became heavier. बारिश ज्यादा हो गई, ज्यादा आना स्टार्ट हो गई. So I stayed at home. So मैं घर पे रह गया. I made a cup of hot tea. I made a cup of hot tea. मैंने एक चाय बनाया, गर्मा गर्म चाय, ले लो चाय. And sat near the window. और मैं चाय लेके विंडो के पास बैठ गया. ठीक है. I enjoyed watching the rain. I enjoyed watching the rain. मैं रेन को देखते देखते इंजॉय कर रहा था, मतलब अच्छा लग रहा था, दिल को सुकून हो रहा था. आफ्टर एन हावर द रेन स्टॉप. आफ्टर एन हावर मतलब 1 घंटे के बाद रेन रुक गई. ठीक है. द वेदर बिकेम कूल एंड फ्रेश. द वेदर बिकेम कूल एंड फ्रेश. वेदर कूल मतलब अच्छा और फ्रेश दिखने लग गया. Birds started singing again. Birds started singing again. मतलब पंछियों ने फिर से गाना गाना स्टार्ट किया. I took my umbrella. मैंने अपना छाता लिया and went to the market. और मैं मार्केट चला गया. The roads were wet. The roads क्या थे? wet थे, गीले थे. And there were puddles. And there were puddles. और यहाँ पे पानी भरे गड्ढे थे. Everywhere. चारों तरफ. Okay. I walked carefully because the road was slippery. I walked मतलब मैंने walked किया, मतलब मैं चला. कैसे चला? Carefully. क्योंकि slippery थी, मैं फिसल जाता तो मुझे लग जाता, इसलिए मैं केयरफुली चला. न्यू वोकैबुलरी. एंड गाइज यू कैन सी हियर यू कैन लर्न वोकैबुलरी. और इसी वोकैबुलरी को अगर तुम्हें पढ़ना होगा तो तुम्हें यूट्यूब वीडियोस पे देख देख के ढूंढना पड़ेगा. और तो बहुत लोगों का यही प्रॉब्लम होता है कि दे डोंट रिमेम्बर वोकैबुलरीज. बिकॉज यू नीड टू कीप दिस हैबिट learning daily, and then just don't try to remember vocabulary. It will automatically remember when you are continuously practicing and continuously seeing, watching these words, and you will understand automatically. Okay. बस मैं 7 मंथ हो गए कंप्लीट में कर रही हूँ. तो अभी मैं कभी कभी मतलब पढ़ती हूँ वर्ड्स, तो मुझे क्या होता है उस टाइम मतलब समझ में आता है. और जब मैं वीडियो में बोलती हूँ ना, मैं गलत बोल देती हूँ और फिर से मैं सर्च करके देखती हूँ. और फिर जब सर्च करके देखती हूँ ना, तब मुझे वो याद रहता है. इतना मतलब प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ इतने मन से, तब भी ऐसा हो रहा है. अगर तुम बिगिनर हो तो तुम देखो ना, हार मत मानना, क्योंकि हमारे पास उसका मतलब वो एनवायरनमेंट नहीं है. फिर भी हम खुद को इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इंग्लिश बहुत जगह चलती है आजकल, सभी जगह चलती है. तो इस स्टोरी से रिलेटेड वोकैबुलरी पढ़ेंगे. ओके. जो डेली लाइफ में ज्यादातर यूज होती है. ओक अप, जग गया. ओक अप मतलब नींद से जगना होता है, वेक अप. और ओक अप मतलब मैं जग गया. और जब गेट अप होता है मतलब मैं बेड से उठ गया. गॉट अप मतलब होता है मैं बेड से उठ के चला गया. ओके, लाइक दिस. लुक्ड आउटसाइड, बाहर देखा. लुक आउटसाइड मतलब होता है बाहर देखना. और लुक्ड आउटसाइड मतलब बाहर देखना हो चुका है. अगर मतलब बहुत न्यू हो, बिगिनर हो, तो टेंस से सीखो, ये सब कुछ समझ में आएगा. और वर्ब्स पढ़ा करो, चैट जीपीटी पे ही पढ़ा करो, क्योंकि इधर उधर भटकने से कुछ नहीं होता. और धीरे धीरे पूरी चीजें सीखा करो। मैं बता रही हूँ लेकिन ये रियल होता है, मैंने भी ऐसे ही देखती थी, कुछ नहीं होता, पढ़ रही तो समझ में आ रहा है। स्टेड एट होम घर पर रहना। एंजॉय मतलब आनंद लेना। फ्रेश मतलब ताजा तवाना। स्लिपरी मतलब फिसलन। मड़ी मतलब कीचड़ भीना भरा कीचड़ वाला। और रेनबो मतलब इंद्रधनुष। अब कुछ डेली कन्वर्सेशन सेंटेंस। These are the kinds of sentence people really use. It looks like it's going to rain. Did you bring an umbrella? I got completely wet. The roads are so slippery. Let's wait until the rain stops. Let's wait until the rain stops. जब तक रेन रुक नहीं जाती तब तक वेट करो। The weather feels nice after the rain. और यहाँ पर देखो कुछ स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस भी दी है। गुड मॉर्निंग, इट्स रेनिंग टुडे। अभी बारिश हो रही है आज। I woke up early and looked outside. The weather is cool and fresh. I like listening to the sound of the rain. After the rain stops, I will go for a walk with my umbrella. मैं छाते के साथ जाऊंगी वॉक के लिए, छाता लेके, ऐसा मीनिंग है उसका। तो अब हमने रीडिंग भी कर लिया है। ऐसे ही ये की स्टोरी हमने पढ़ा। और यहाँ पे तुम ये भी लिख सकते हो, I am a beginner, so my English level is so beginner. I don't understand hard words. So give me hard words with their Hindi meaning. Okay? So you can see guys, right now I am outside and I'll show you in this video how I practice English using those vocabulary which we learned on ChatGPT, and we have read story there. So we are using those vocabulary and story in real practice, and we are practicing here. Okay, so you can see first we start with weather. Right now you can see clouds. Look at guys, clouds in the sky. Clouds are white clouds. And look at this. This is mud. We have learned this word in that practice, in that vocabulary. This is mud, but right now it's not raining, so here is no any puddle. Puddle, you know, puddle. And like this, when you are practicing, if you are living in village, you can practice like this. You can describe so many things, or you can see behind you, in front of you, or you can surrounded by those things. But if you are living in city, that time you just sit on any place and try to describe our home, what things are placed where, and how is your daily routine that day. How was your daily routine that day? You can practice like this. Look at here guys. Here are behind me, you can see here are chickens and they are wandering. So like this you can practice. Okay, here guys, sparrows are chirping. So you learn this sentence in our yesterday in our that ChatGPT learning. So you can see in the sky and breeze is blowing here gently. So you can see this tree branches are shaking and I feel cool breeze touches on my face here because now weather is just normal. No sunny, no cloudy, just normal. Guys, if you are not like practice this, so you can sit anywhere. Just I'm sitting on this floor and you try to describe all things which are appearing in front of you and in so I show you just with real example. Right now I am sitting here and I am watching, sorry, there is one buffalo appear there over there and I can see their stream and one man is one man is going with their goat and a motorbike is moving on the road and birds are chirping here. Here are two soil pile and far from there I can see coconut trees. So you can describe like this. I hope you understand and this is real practice. Okay, now what time you want to practice with any co-learner, so I show you one app. You can see this AC fluency. So open this app. Now it's time to real practice and tomorrow because it's night time I will show you in tomorrow video how I record my video for myself to improve my English practice. And okay, let's skip this and you can see here practice with top speaker. Just tap here and you can practice with any partner. I agree and look at here what happened. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from India in Maharashtra state. And where are you from?
I'm from UP.
UP.
Okay, where in Maharashtra?
And Ahilyanagar.
What?
Ahilyanagar, you know Ahmednagar?
No, I never heard about that place. Actually, I saw a reel like the Gen-Z protest there in Maharashtra, Mumbai or something.
Yeah, but I am so far from Mumbai. I'm not in that area.
Okay, and so how long have you been on this app?
So this is my second day on this app.
Okay, so what do you do?
I'm a student and nowadays I'm waiting for my degree admission because the registration process is going on. And what do you do?
I run my own business.
Which business?
Like it's a clothing business.
So guys, I want to tell you, if you are a college or school going girl or boy, don't use this app because when you addicted on this app talking other people, or when you are girl you are addicted to talking boy, and when you are boy and you are addicted to talking any girl, then you will distracted from your goal. Then if you really want to speak English, speak alone, practice alone. I just told you use this app when you are just normal person, you don't have any time and you want to really want to talk any person, you can use this app. So many people they misuse this app and they speak anything, and they'll find boyfriend girlfriend on this kind of app. So be aware of this. Hey guys, I hope you understand this all methods, how you can use ChatGPT to improve your English speaking. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe this channel, and you can share also with your friends and your family member. Thank you for watching. We will meet in our next video. Bye bye.